Hi, Joe.
Hi, Brian.
Look, I want to apologize for what happened. I didn't mean to kiss Bonnie. Everybody had a little too much to drink. It just happened. I hope we're still cool.
Hey, don't worry about it. It was a crazy party. We ran out of salsa. How do you run out of salsa? Anyway, we're good.
What? No! What's he doing? My car was parked legally.
Well, maybe your car violated some sort of unspoken boundary, one that nobody bothers to codify because it's just common decency.
Hey, Joe, is that the guy?
Read your text, Jerry. Not supposed to say you know me. I hope your day gets better, Brian, but I wouldn't count on it. Hey, Brian, I know that things have been awkward between us, but just to show you there's no hard feelings, can I buy you a drink?
You know what? Sure. Thanks.
What the hell happened?
Ah! How do I walk? Are these forever?
I also rubbed my butt on you.
They don't get us, Bonnie. And you deserve better than this. We both do. You know what? Let's get out of here.